project is aiming to help with the gap in the IT industry and more specifically in the development profession. It helps beginners with no previous programming experience to learn and understand the core principles in JavaScript in a fun and engaging way. This is a web-based coding game, The Road, after the Bill Gates book The Road Ahead, where he is discussing how life has changed from the past to present because of the computers. This diagram shows the process that I've done till now. I started with the game design foundations. At this first step, I was able to identify the core of the game I'm looking to create, its key features and goals, and the game scope. To be successful in doing so, I followed the advices of Brenda Romero in her LinkedIn course and other sources. Then I focused on creating a UX research plan and conducted an investigation of what research methods are most appropriate for that kind of project. Based on that, I identified the probe questions and concluded that the best research methods that I can undertake are focus group discussions at the early stage of the project, observations of the user playtesting sessions of the prototype, and semi-structured interviews after these sessions. Then I managed to do some competitive analysis of 3 games that are available online and meet the purpose of what I'm aiming for. These games are Code Combat, Enterprise Ship, and Ruby Warrior. I identified their strengths and weaknesses and made some conclusions and design decisions for my game. Then I was able to organize some focus group discussions and field research by going on a games meeting to discuss games with other people interested in this area. After that, I had a rough idea of what it should be included and visually what people are expecting to see in such product, and created 2 personas, male and female, who summarized the information gathered from the participants' activities. Then I created a storyboard and wireframes of a potential product. Before going deeply into the prototyping, I actually realized that the user flow of the game is still vague for me and needed to nail this down. This is the final user flow. Then I started prototyping. First, I created a paper prototype, and during that time I was also gathering some assets for the interactive UX prototype. After finishing the paper prototype, I user tested it and understood that the participants are struggling to answer the questions even on the first level. Then I wanted to find out what would be easier and more engaging, the typing version or the button version of the game. During the A/B testing, I came to the conclusion that the button version is more clear for the playtesters and more engaging. That's why I built the interactive UX prototype that way. Here is a video how it works.